Are we ready to go?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, Maddie.
What happened to the pond?
What do you think happened?
It dried up
Why? Why did it dry up?
because of the weather.
The weather? Oh, yeah. It's a lot sunnier now. huh?
rock.
Oh, you found a rock? Very cool. Yes, there's hardly no water anymore. Huh, let's go see if we can find another place with some more water. From where? Look. Wow, the water is flowing pretty fast. Where is it going? The chickens, where? Oh, those are wild turkeys, look. Wow, did you see the tall grass? Should we go through it? Yes? All right, come on, let's go. Hey guys, do you notice a difference between this water and the other one? What?
It's cool.
It is cool, you're right. The other pond wasn't cool. The other pond was not cool, and this one is? It is, right?
It's going so much faster.
Should we explore it a little bit more?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Whoa, look at the fish.
Whoa! It's floating! You know what floating means? Should we explore what floating means a little more?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so a little while ago, Aiden noticed a log that was floating. So let me tell you guys a little bit more about what sinking and floating means. All right.
Oh, look. Look at this leaf.
Ooh, maybe we can use it. So sinking means when it goes under, when the item that you found goes under the water. But floating is the opposite. Floating means when it's above the water, on top of the water, right? So what do you think this leaf, do you think this leaf is going to sink? Or do you think the leaf is going to float?
I think it's gonna float.
It's gonna float?
Yep.
Okay, well, I was thinking that I brought some items that we can use to maybe go and explore some stuff. Should we use them?
Yeah.
And maybe we could find some things that will sink and some things that will float. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Tell me, what did you draw?
A water.
Oh, you drew the water that you observed.